Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new to my channel, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow a low-calorie density way of eating. Following this lifestyle has allowed me to lose the last 15 pounds. On my channel, you will find quick and easy whole food plant-based recipes. So if that is an interest to you, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday and Saturday. You can also follow me on Instagram, and if you're new to this way of eating or just feel like you need some more support, I started a Facebook group, and I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. Today I'm going to be making a recipe that I made way back in 2017, but I've updated a little bit. One of the things that I really missed when I went plant-based was chicken and dumplings. I really loved it, and I wanted to find a way to get that same kind of feeling, the same kind of flavors, and I think I've done that. So this is my version of it. It's just veggies and dumplings, but it's delicious, very satisfying, and it is low fat and low calorie density. So let's get started. So we're starting with a little bit of water in a non-stick skillet. I'm gonna add about a cup of chopped onions. A couple cloves of garlic. And we'll just let these saute for a couple of minutes. Now the onions have become soft and a little bit translucent. We're going to add the rest of our ingredients except for the dumplings. I'm going to be adding a 12-ounce package of frozen mixed vegetables. This makes this dish so easy. And then we'll add our spices, which is garlic powder, onion powder, poultry seasoning, and nutritional yeast. And then we're going to add about 2 cups of veggie broth. Give it a good stir. I can make it on a weeknight, and dinner is ready in under 30 minutes. So we're gonna let this come up to a boil, and then we're gonna simmer for about 10 minutes. And then in the meantime, we're gonna make our dumplings. So I'm starting with 2 cups of a gluten-free biscuit mix. You could make your own, but to me this is way easier. I just have it on hand when I wanna make biscuits or whatever. And then we're gonna add 2/3 cup of plant milk. You're gonna start with that. And you may need more. You'll just see what kind of consistency you get. Or you may need to add more of this mix. Yeah, I can see we're gonna definitely need some more milk. And you just keep going till you get the consistency that you want. So this is the consistency you're gonna want. Not too dry, not too wet. Now you wanna make sure that this is at a boil. And then you're just gonna drop in your biscuit mix here, your dumpling mix, by tablespoons. And these are going to expand, and they're going to end up touching each other, which is fine with me because I love having a dumpling in every bite. So we're going to turn down the heat. We're going to cook it 10 minutes uncovered, and then we're going to cover it and cook for another 10 minutes, and then we're done. Those look beautiful. Let's eat. I don't know if you grew up on chicken and dumplings, but this just reminds me of my grandma, and what I love is it's just so satisfying. This is comfort food for me. And I love how the veggie broth thickens up, so it makes this really yummy gravy. As you can see, super thick, and it's just yummy. Gonna taste it. I almost just did. So I want to get some of the dumpling. I don't know if you can see. It's like perfect consistency. This is so good. Now this is my kind of 50-50 plate, although it's not potatoes, but it's just delicious. I love it. I don't make this all the time, but sometimes I just get a craving for it, and I can whip it up in 30 minutes, and I'm eating a bowl of love. I love it. I hope you enjoyed this video and you'll give it a try. It's super easy, super quick, great weeknight dinner. Kids love this. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe and follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook group as well. And remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. And vegan do it, and so can you. Until next time, thank you. Hi, Debbie Chu. Oopsie, don't even know my own name.